The year
Thank you
of
for coming
change.
back.
The year of change.
Have we heard from Didi?
Yes.
Uthini Ntombi?
She likes the Range Rover.
Ah,
Imova yaka.
Range Rover.
thank you.
But once you put the Range Rover in the equation, it was over, dude. I mean, I didn't even want to go Range Rover because, like, you understand.
It's over Red
But
Rover.
I still maintain the F-Pace, underrated in the stealth view. But again, I suppose it's for me.
Anyway, what do we have this week?
What do we have this week? We have the usual.
What are we doing? We have to tell the people that have
Actually,
not
we have the
yeah.
usual. We have to. Headmaster Magora Tavu Street. He said we must change his name. We must call him Lawnmower. He came up with that.
Why would I say? Why would I say call me lawnmower? Why would you even call me lawnmower, man?
Oh, there it is, lawnmower.
Oh, so you write these things, so you write these jokes ahead of me.
It's not me.
I think you wrote it.
Why would I write that? Why would I
He
write
said we must change the name every week.
Why would I say hello?
So now last
How's
week,
it, guys? Tease me, eh?
now last week I came with Headmaster, aka Schoolbus, which is
So lawnmower.
Schoolbus is kanangana. And then he decided, okay, next week call me lawnmower.
And it's that lawnmower with that thing that catches grass at the back.
You know what? I'm going to take time. I'm going to take my time. And I'm going to find nicknames for both of you. Right? But man, I've got a big head. It's got big stuff inside.
Lots of grass, yeah.
And it takes long to catch on. It sounds
Hey boss, hey werk nie.
And you know the lawnmower at his house has two duties: to cut the grass in his head.
And his head. Yeah. Now I can see a
your
little
gardener
battle with the
gets-
lawnmower and he lost. Look at that head, he lost that battle.
The gardener gets paid double.
As we were saying, so thank you for coming.
That's a rich gardener.
Thank you for coming. I'm gonna cut all of this nonsense out. I'm cutting it out. You're wasting your time.
So, guys, thank you for watching last week's
And
show.
then we'll be like,